Assalamu alaikum. So first of all, there is ongoing airdrop with simple process. First of all, go to your Play Store to download the app name BitKeep. Download it. After downloading it, then you will now open it. When you open it, then check up there, check up here, and connect with your BNB chain. After that, here there is a backup. Okay, back up your face to keep your wallet secret and security. After you back up it, you now come to this plus. Search for AIT. After you search AIT, add it to your wallet. After you add it, then you now go back and follow the link that I sent to you. After you follow it, it will take you here. It will take you here for their Telegram. After you enter here, then you will now check the pin message. After you check the pin message, and the next thing is to click on their claim airdrop. After you claim airdrop, I have claimed my own. And then you will now write your username, a Telegram username, and it will bring this one. Then you will now click next. It will appear like this. After next, you will join their Twitter. After you join their Twitter, then it will take you into this place. And to just take you into their Twitter page here. After they take you here, then you will now click, you like it, and you reply it. Just reply. Write any message. After you write any message, then you will now copy. You will now copy your message, for example, like this. You will now come to this place. Just copy. Okay. Tweet this. Let's say pin it. It will go back to the top of your Twitter message. Then you will now copy it. Copy your link. Let's say copy your link like this. After you copy the link, then you now go back to that Telegram and paste it here. It will appear like this. After you paste it, they will take you here. They will ask you to send your BIP20 address. I recommend that's trustworthy. So the simple as it is, you will go back to a BitKeep wallet like this. Come to this place, to the application that you download. Okay, come to that. And remember that you add this Twitter. Okay, click that AIT. Copy this. Click that AIT and copy the link. After you copy the link, go back to your Telegram. Okay, paste it. Like when you paste it, it will appear like this, and it will come to this way. And they will show you withdraw. After you withdraw, then you will now click referral. After you click referral, they will give you this, and you can copy it and share it to your people. After that is all. Then you now wait for some minutes, let's say from now to 30 minutes. it will credit it to your account. Then your account will appear like this with this amount of 100,000 AIT and the worth of $100 or 100 and something dollar. Maybe the next thing will keep you in touch if there's any possible something to know. Thank you.